Bana aba ni Play Anselm, Joseph Byembire, Karyesubura Alvin Victor na Ahabyona Andrew Lords kandi aba bagenda n'amatsiko mengi okugaruka kutekitinisa cya Uganda aha mutindo gwa Africa.
Nitwe Uganda twaza kufana abana abaroho bazo munsi eyiba kweta Malawi kuza kurwanira obuhanguzi omukugezaho okureba ngo nabakompitinga omutwayeta spelling bee.
Nishemeza kitwa wazire hamwe n'abashomesa kureba ngo umwana nabasa kushika aharenge nkoru kandi ntumwendeza obuhanguzi.
Teddy Awori omushuganisa w'empakezi ahabwa Uganda nagira ngo ayina amasiko mengi ngo timwe yatwara omuri Malawi okujwekyera Uganda neja kurugayo n'akamwenyo ha matama.
We are taking 4 champions. They are not pupils, they are champions from Uganda, and we call them champions because they emerged the best in their competition back here at home. That is in 2019, right? Yeah, in 2019 competition.
Najangwe ntebekanisezi zigenderiro okutendeka abana ba Africa omukushoma hamwe no kugira obwongo buri kuteekateka juba.
The spelling bee is basically to help children improve their literacy. Other than what we do in class or school, spelling bee is just to help children improve their literacy. In that way, we help catalyze their learning.
Tuganireho n'abana aba kandi abana bo bina amasiko mengi okugaruka mu ihanga n'obuhanguzi.
Expect to learn from it, learn new words, vocabulary, such that could use them in our daily life.
Mbahamiza Abanya-Uganda batahi banje ngo niza kuba representing ekikusingayo.
Okuhayahaya naoku nukuza kukorwa katano esabi terukwija. Gasha kwa Damba Tadeo.
Tadeo Damba twazagaruka tumureho